How to reset For You page on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So this video will show you how you can refresh or reset your TikTok For You page FYP algorithm so that you can find new content. So if your FYP isn't showing videos that you like, this guide is for you. First of all, open the TikTok application and go to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences, that is between Activity Center and Audience Controls. Then tap on Refresh Your For You page or feed, that is between Manage Topics and Muted Accounts. Once you do that, tap on Continue and then tap on Refresh. You will see the indication that you have refreshed the page in the top of the screen. Then select the reason for this. So that's it for this video. That's how you can refresh your FYP on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.